Today we got a very special video, as you guys can probably tell by the title and thumbnail. Could be a good idea or it could be a very bad idea. Today we are letting Josephine drive the Corvette Z06. She has driven my 350Z back in the day. Remember that? That's where you first learned manual. She drove the 350Z. She's driven the G80. She's driven the GTR. She's driven the F80. I think you have maybe the older one. And now she's about to drive the Corvette Z06. Again, it could be a good idea for a funny video or it could be a bad idea for the Corvette. I guess we'll see. But yeah, the Corvette looks sick. I cannot get over this freaking car, bro. Even just with wheels, like the car is completely stock still, but even with just wheels, this car looks so freaking bad. Cannot wait to just finish this build, guys. So many mods on the way. We came to a very empty parking lot, so hopefully she doesn't hit that pole, or that pole. That's pretty much all she could hit. Ugh. You ready?
I won't.
Hopefully.
I won't.
Have seatbelt on. Oh, hell no.
Can they see me?
Yes.
I have something so we can really make this car my own, really get started, you know?
No,
make it feel like home. It smells like strawberries. Can you smell it? It smells like candy. We'll put it right next to yours. Okay, now we can go. Now we can get started.
It does smell bomb.
So where can I put this? Right here?
Yeah, there's not really any room in this car, huh?
I tried to put something back there last night and he's like, you messed up the stripes.
Yeah, you messed up the stripes.
I put my jacket back there.
Fix your seat. Make sure you could reach the pedal. I would put the clutch all the way in. Make sure you could reach the clutch like all the way. Do you know what the clutch is?
Yeah, I forget. Do you use your left foot though?
Yeah.
Whoa.
So the clutch has to be able to go all the way in.
Yeah, like that's good, I think.
All right. Do you want me to like give you a rough rundown of how to drive manual again, or what? You think you remember?
No, you could give me a rough rundown. The only other thing that's kind of bad is this doesn't have numbers.
Yeah, that's true. I just switched this out, so it doesn't say first, second, third, even reverse. So I'll show you. So you ready? First step is
period. Oh yeah. Whoa, why is it all the way over there? Wait, I'm not pressing the brake at all on the car.
I don't think it'll roll though.
Okay.
All right, now you're gonna hold the clutch in. Remember, every time you move this, the clutch has to be fully in. All right?
Okay.
Clutch all the way in. Go to first. Yup, just like that. Perfect. Okay,
now?
There's a lot of cars.
We're literally in an empty parking lot. How is there like, there's literally traffic. Oh my God.
There's a drug deal going on over there. All right, you ready? So now you're gonna let go of the clutch slowly, okay? Once you start feeling it move, you can give it some gas. All right? So
oh my God, I'm scared. I'm doing it very slowly.
Let go of the clutch.
I'm doing it. It's happening. It's happening.
Once you start feeling it move, then you can give it a little bit of gas. Not too much gas.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
I feel the car moving. All right, gas. Let go of the clutch. It's a lot of information, bro. Trying to teach you how to drive manual is very hard. It's easier to do it than to like teach, I feel. Watch out for all these potholes.
I know,
Do you see those?
I was gonna go around them.
It's like a crater. Yeah, just go all the way around. But see, once you're moving, it's a normal car. You don't gotta worry about the clutch.
Yeah, I remember you told me.
Nothing, just drive normal.
Yeah, I got it.
Just don't hit these bumps.
I'm scared.
I hear a Huracan or an R8 on the freeway.
Oh my God.
See, it's pretty easy, right? It's not bad.
Yeah, the clutch does feel different.
Yeah, it's very different compared to the G80. I'm not sure if she drove the G80 when it was an upgraded clutch or a stock clutch, but the G80 clutch now is very, very stiff. I don't know if she'd be able to do it.
Okay, now what? I want to do something different.
All right.
Press the clutch again. While I press the gas or let go of the gas?
I'll show you how to come to a stop. So you're gonna put the clutch in.
Let go of the gas?
Yeah, let go of the gas. Clutch in, put it in neutral, and then brake.
Slowly let go?
Yeah, no, you got the clutch.
What about the...
Let go.
Fully?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We'd already be in the middle of the intersection.
I know, but you're not telling me the other things.
All right, let go of the clutch slowly. Once you start feeling the car move, you give it gas.
Oh.
Maybe
it's because you're scaring me. I feel like people are coming towards us and you're like trying to make me go and I'm nervous.
It's all right. All right, hold the clutch.
So let go of the brake.
Yeah, let go of the brake. All right, now hold the clutch in and you can start it. Oh, you have to hold it a little longer. She's moving it so slow. Just like that, gas. Perfect.
Whoa. Woo! All right, we're on a roll. We're on a roll. Yeah, I could put the AC on.
Yeah. And I'm gonna teach you how to go second. So now second, you're gonna cruise. Hold the clutch in.
At the same time as the gas.
No. You let go of the gas. Clutch in. Go second. Perfect. Let go of the clutch.
Slowly.
And now gas. Perfect.
Okay. Whoa.
You're in second, so you're moving right now.
Wait, I want to go slow down now.
Okay, so let's say a stoplight, all right? So stoplight's coming up.
Let go of gas.
Let go of the gas, clutch in, neutral. Make sure it's in neutral. Remember, you shake it, and then you brake.
Interesting. Okay, you want to record me from the outside?
No.
Why? We gotta
It's
do
so
something
scary.
different. I feel like this video is boring.
I don't want to be outside the car.
I want you to put it here and then leave it in here with me, and then like let me do at least
Okay, let's
once.
practice a couple more times, okay? I'm gonna do it without even saying nothing then. You
Oh my
ready?
gosh, there's an old man.
Okay, come on.
Oh
Don't
my
run him
God.
over.
I know.
right.
Okay.
I'm not gonna tell you anything.
Oh my gosh, there's a car coming towards us.
You're good. You can't worry about the outside, because then that's when you get scared. Oh, you almost got it, dude.
What am I doing wrong?
I think you're letting the clutch out too fast.
What do I do now
All right.
at this moment?
Thank you. I appreciate it. Yep, a little bit of gas. Less clutch. Yep, more gas, less clutch. Like that. See? So gradually, you're kind of doing it evenly.
I would love to see what my face looked like when I was doing that. I was thinking so many things inside my head.
Just don't run over the old.
That makes sense. Oh, there is an old man with a walker.
Don't run him over, please.
Oh my God. You want me to do it one more time so you can see if I could do it by myself?
Yeah.
You
so
can't
scary.
lie that first is the most difficult thing to do.
Yeah, of course. It's the
Because
hardest.
then once you're there, you just do second and third. That is so easy.
Yeah,
to me.
once you're rolling, you're chilling.
Okay, that was a little bumpy.
It's not bad. All right, should I get out the car?
Yes. We gotta do something different.
Oh, please just don't hit nothing. And when you're coming to a stop, how do you come to a stop? One more time, because the stop is the most important, so you don't go through the wall. Perfect.
Okay.
Please be careful.
You guys, I'm gonna take the car and leave. We're gonna leave. Let's go to Taco Bell.
Guys, I'm so scared. You guys don't understand, bro. Because I'm not in there. Like, you know, if I was in the passenger seat, I could at least, like, pull the e-brake up if I have to. But right now, I can't. Let's see. Hopefully, she doesn't stall. I'll put money on it that she stalls, though. Yep. I knew it. I knew it, bro.
I'm gonna start pressing the gas. No. Start over. I was just kidding. Yes! I did it!
I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty cool that she knows how to drive manual, though. Like, she can actually do it. A lot of people can't even do this. I have homies that can't drive manual. Look at her. Damn, that car looks so sick. I freaking love that car, bro. Look how good it looks. It looks even better with her driving it, huh?
You know, sometimes when you just gotta drive by yourself, you know, you just gotta be let free. You just gotta do it on your own. That's how I feel.
Oh my God, this is so sketch. Look at her. Before I met her, she didn't even know about cars. She didn't know what a steering wheel was. She didn't know how to put gas in the car, bro. Like, she didn't know nothing. She knows everything about makeup, but she knows nothing about cars. And now look, she's driving manual. Oh my God.
I'm so happy. I was trying to move as soon as he started talking, and I really did it. I really did it. Period. Yes. You guys, we have like a full audience. You guys can't see. Well, maybe you can. But we got like at least 20 people in the shade right here watching me.
It's actually one of my favorite cars in my collection right now. And it's not even done, bro. Just wait till we put the lip on, all the carbon, make it loud. As you can tell, it's freaking quiet. It sounds like a Tesla.
Want to get in my annual Z06?
That was crazy. No, I'm saying it's actually insane how you know how to drive manual. Like,
I was really doing that thing, huh?
you actually are.
I'm really whipping this thing. Who's Beth Roberts?
I don't know.
Beth Roberts. That's first and last name.
The guy, there's a name on there from the previous owner. I don't know how to change it. Someone has to help me, but you could change the name.
I'm gonna run Beth Roberts over.
All right, dude. Run her ass over?
Yeah.
Man, she's probably
I'll figure out
old.
how to get in sixth gear.
She's probably an old
when I
lady.
see her.
Go, step on the gas. I was like, all right. Brake? Perfect. Okay, I just want to make sure you know how to brake if we're going fast.
I'm so nervous.
But I want to hear the engine, you know? You got to give it a little bit more gas. Step on it. All the way. All right. Little pool. She barely stepped on it, dude.
Whoa,
Alright, I think we're good.
Okay.
I'm literally sweating. I'm not even joking. My
Okay, you
sweating.
can turn it off. I just want to do it one more time just for me.
Okay, go.
Because I feel like I understand now.
She's getting it. Everyone smash the like button for Josephine, guys.
Woo!
She knows how to drive a manual car. And this is no like assisting or nothing. Like the Corvette Z06 is very raw, bro. It's not like the G80, it's not like the F80. You need to know how to drive manual. She officially knows how to drive manual with this car for sure. All right, you're going a little crazy. Relax. Relax.
Okay, I did it. I feel cool. I always see you go.
That's what I be doing?
Yeah. That's how I felt right now. That was fun.
All right, we're good. Oh, my armpits are actually sweating, guys. I'm scared, bro. I'm nervous, dude. This is my baby. I'll be sad if she crashed it, bro. My biggest fear is that she's gonna go full speed and not know how to brake and go through that fence. That's what I just kept envisioning. Ready? Hold it tight.
Okay. Whoa. Oh my God, imagine I did that.
I didn't know how to do that. I'm like, what the? Imagine.
Whoa. The pink.
Oh, pink Hellcat.
When you took off right there, that guy pulled his phone out of his pocket so fast to
For
try
real?
to record you. Yeah.
So quiet though. Supposedly, guys, I want to do it for a video. Supposedly, some Corvette owners have told me that you can pull a fuse under her feet right there, and it'll actually like disconnect the valves because I guess it has stock valves on the exhaust. So we disconnect them, it'll be a little bit louder on idle and stuff. Now I gotta pull that fuse, see what happens. This car is so sick. We're back at the tire warehouse. We're back because I'm actually gonna return the Nittos we got. We got these Nitto R2s for the G80, if you guys remember, for this car. The B-Lock should be getting here this week, I think, bro, hopefully. But we had to get new tires. I got the Nitto R2s. A lot of people, even a lot of homies that have ran these tires, they all told me that I should get something better. They're all like, these are not gonna hook, bro. Like, you're gonna waste your money again. Get something better. So right now we're literally returning them to my boy. Shout out Tire Bullies. And we're gonna get Mickey Thompson's instead. So Mickey Thompson's, I know they'll hook. We're gonna get the same exact tires that were on my GTR. Love you, babe.
You guys, Nick just gave this to me. He handed it to me and he said, for being a good girlfriend. And I will be keeping that.
Oh my God. These are heavy.
What the? Superman.
So the thing is, these are a little bit, they're not as wide as the other ones. These are 305s, those are 315, but they're both 40/18. So just the width is smaller. Everything else is the same. Hopefully these hook, guys. They're Mickey Thompsons, and usually those are always better for cars that make a lot of power. Even though they're a little bit smaller, I think they're still gonna be better. And they still got the fat sidewall, which I want. Not only for the looks, but it's better too. But I want it to look fat in the back with the B-Lock. Hopefully the wheels get here by this week or next week, and then we throw these on the G80. It's gonna be sick. You guys don't understand, I've been waiting to put a better tire setup on this car. I haven't even been able to race anybody or do any pulls because it just spins so bad. I'll show you guys how bad it is right now. What we have on the car right now are Nitto G2s, and like I said, I thought the R2s would be good enough, but before even risking it and wasting my money, I just went to go swap them for the Mickey Thompsons.
Whoa.
This shit is crazy. Because this car is very fast. It just needs better tires so I can actually feel how fast it is. Because it feels fast right now, but wait till like the tire actually hooks. Bro, it's gonna feel even faster. It's probably gonna feel like I gained another 100 horsepower or something. And what the heck, there's a red G80. What's up, bro? That color is nice. I wonder what red that is. Red is so sick. Fun fact, I almost built a G80, guys, from the BMW dealer. I was about to do it, because if you don't know, Chris's girl works at BMW. She was gonna special order me one, custom built. And I just never did it because I was impatient, because they told me it was gonna be like a 6-month wait. But what I was gonna do was I was gonna do Ferrari red, which is like a super rare red color, with red interior and manual. It would've been insane. Shit did it. Sheesh. Nice little spot day for the M3s. The Corvette's already washed. The R8 is actually washed. It's in my garage, guys. Have not revealed the wrap yet, but it's in my garage. What's up, boss? Oh my God. She actually felt bomb. I'm about to get the G80 clean and the F80 clean. They look so good together, bro. Sheesh. Fire. This car hasn't even had a wash since we took the wrap off. Oh my god. It's actually dirtier than I thought. The wheels are always dirty on this car because they're white. How satisfying that is. Why can't wheels just stay this clean? If only they could stay looking like that forever, huh? But as soon as I drive up the block, they're already dirty with brake dust. Especially that car, bro. Go. Yeah. My boy got the, what is it called? What's the zombie gun? The Wonder Waffle?
No, Thunder Gun.
Thunder Gun.
Did you blow this one?
Yeah, the G80's hella clean, bro. Now it's the F80's turn. Chris, you kind of matched the G80. What is that, the Dodgers? The Celtics? This thing looks insane. It's like a show car. I'm telling you, the amount of mods that the G80 has is ridiculous, guys. We've touched every single piece on this car if you really think about it. First car I've ever touched engine bay work. Like, I've never really cared about making the engine bay look pretty or anything like that, except for on this car. All my other cars, if you look at the engine bays, they're all stock. This one looks insane though. Of course, we got the inside all clean too. Hella clean.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.